Thanks for connecting us. Today's video is very important about the IELTS exam leak. Yes, this video is going to be in a mix of languages, English as well as Hindi, so that everyone could follow me properly. As students sometimes complain that try to make the videos in complete English so that they can also follow, because there are students who do not understand Hindi. Well, today's topic is very important and something that you are very excited to know, that how we can get to know about the IELTS exam. के IELTS के एग्जाम के बारे में हमें कैसे पता चल सकता है कि IELTS एग्जाम में क्या आने वाला है. इससे पहले कि मैं बताऊं आपको, I really want to share some statistics with you, and of course, I would definitely love to request you to please subscribe my channel if you haven't done it so far. Hit the subscribe as well as bell button to get the notifications of my newly uploaded videos. I hope most of you already know that either you can take the paper-based, that is PB, or computer-delivered, that is CD IELTS exam. Now let's talk about the frequency of this test. कितना frequently ये test होता है? Once in a week at least, or approximately 5 days in a month. That means अगर paper based exam की अगर हम बात करें, at an average 60 times in a year IELTS test takes place. Now another statistic that I'm going to share with you is about the CD exam, computer delivered exam, how frequently this exam takes place. कंप्यूटर डिलीवर्ड ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे होता है और इसके 3 टाइम स्लॉट्स रहते हैं. यस, दैट्स राइट, एवरी डे, ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे, and 3 times in a day. That means if you multiply 365 into 3, at an average, अगर आप 1000 भी लेके चले, 1000 IELTS tests happening during a year time, plus the PB exams. Now what I mean to say is that if there are these many number of tests happening in a year, do you really think that Cambridge is coming up with a new study material every time? क्या आपको लगता है कि हर बार रीडिंग टेस्ट नया आ रहा होगा, हर बार लिसनिंग टेस्ट नया आ रहा होगा, हर बार राइटिंग टास्क 1 टास्क 2 नया आ रहा होगा? So that's what I mean to say is that the probability of repetition is extremely high in the IELTS exam, and I have noticed this thing because many of my students who take online training with us sitting in Mumbai, in Bengaluru, where it's very common to take the IELTS exam online, that is CD, और जब भी वो अपने IELTS exam experience को हमारे साथ share करते हैं, within a day or two we get to know that the same test is there in the PB or it has been there earlier on. तो ये चीज़ ensure करता है कि जितने ज़्यादा CD IELTS test taker हमारे साथ अपना IELTS exam experience share करेंगे, more we will get to know about that what the tasks and what the reading text or the listening test the students can expect in the real exam. Now how and where we can share this information, let me introduce you to my new blog on my website raman.com, where you can find multiple and useful blogs, and here it is about the IELTS exam leak, and this blog is just for you, where I want that sitting in any part of the world, no matter आपने कहाँ पे IELTS exam दिया है, I want you to hit this section, get registered, and in the comments section share your IELTS exam experience. Yes, I know that it would take few of your minutes, but it's going to substantially help the other IELTS test candidates who are going to take the IELTS exam in future. By going through this blog and viewing the experience of different test takers, they will get to know that what are the IELTS essays or the reading tasks or the listening tests that they can expect in the real IELTS exam. Isn't it great that if you sit in the exam and you see something that's been repeated already, or it would also save your time of watching the prediction video, which is an absolute waste of time, क्योंकि उन videos में आपको कभी भी कुछ नहीं मिलता है, कभी भी कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. As compared to that, if you go through the number of tasks being shared in the blog, and the chances would be very high that you can get the same thing in the real IELTS exam. It will be applicable for both IDP as well as British Council, no matter BC is not conducting IELTS exams in India anymore. So doesn't matter where are you from, in India or out of India, I want you to hit my blog today and share your experience and help others to get the IELTS exam leaked. The link of my blog is available in the description of this video, or you can directly visit ramanals.com. Thanks for watching the video, my dear friends. Bye bye for now.